The exhibition is called Infiltrées, Infiltration. You're 5 female artists. All of you have sort of liberated yourself almost from the human form. It feels like almost you've created new types of realities. So I was just wondering how you feel about that.
I think that's a really beautiful point you bring up, how the body in its absence is present in all these works. I think it's really important just to remove the human from the artwork, because we're always seeing it through our eyes anyway. So we're always present, but just to focus on the other elements.
And talk me through your process, because I was reading a bunch of stuff on you, and I love all the mystical element.
Yes, I guess my practice isn't very traditional in the sense that the little sparks happen at night. For me, it's really important to work at night, to just have like my candles, my incense, and just kind of be in my bubble, and it becomes like a ritual practice. And I think I would have a hard time making work without that. I was really passionate to learn how different cultures dealt with mysticism and esotericism. And it just kind of became this constant thread throughout my life, and it's just something I'm passionate about. And then obviously it impacts in the way I make art and my inspiration for making art.